Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Dramabox for free on iPhone. Dramabox is completely free to download from the App Store. You don't have to pay anything just to install the app. Open the App Store on your iPhone, tap the search bar and type Dramabox right. Then tap search. Look for the official Dramabox app in the result. Tap on it to open the app page. Tap the get button. You may need to confirm with your Face ID, Touch ID or Apple Password ID. Remember, this does not change or charge your anything. The app will automatically download. Once it downloads, tap open. You can create a free account using your email or sign in if you already have one. You can start watching free content right away. Dramabox is free to download, but some episodes require coins or subscription to unlock. You can earn coins for free by checking in daily or watching ads. Only download Dramabox from official app store. Do not use websites that promise free download or more version. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.